Claude can read your files, search the web, and query your database directly, all without you copy-pasting a single thing into the chat. The standard that makes this possible is called MCP, the Model Context Protocol. In this video, you'll connect 4 MCP servers to Claude Desktop: file system access, live web search, a database connection, and GitHub. Then you'll build your own custom server in Python. MCP is an open standard from Anthropic. Claude Desktop acts as the host. Each MCP server is a separate process on your machine, exposing tools Claude can call directly. Ask Claude to read your README, and it calls a tool, gets the content, and answers. No manual pasting. And MCP is model agnostic by design. Claude, GPT 5.5, and other frontier models can all speak the same protocol today. Every server you connect lives in one JSON config file that Claude Desktop reads on startup. Start with the Filesystem server, the most broadly useful one. It lets Claude read and write files, but only inside folders you explicitly approve. Open your Claude Desktop config file. On Mac, that's in Library, Application Support, Claude. Add the Filesystem server using npx and list every folder path you want Claude to access. Save the file, then fully restart Claude Desktop. Click the hammer icon in the chat box to confirm the server connected. Next, give Claude real-time web search. Grab a free Brave Search API key. 2,000 queries a month, no credit card required. Add the Brave Search server to the same config file, passing your key as an environment variable. Restart Claude Desktop again. Now Claude can search the live web, not just answer from its training data. For developers, 2 servers matter most. The Postgres server gives Claude read-only access to your database schema and lets it run queries safely. It can never write, insert, or delete. The GitHub server lets Claude read issues, pull requests, and repository files. With a write scope token, it can open pull requests for you directly. Add both servers into the same config, right alongside Filesystem and search. Need something the official servers don't cover? Build your own. Install the MCP Python SDK with a single pip command. Define one tool, give it a clear description, and Claude decides on its own when to call it. This example fetches live cryptocurrency prices from a public API. Point your config at the Python files path, restart Claude Desktop, and ask for the price of Bitcoin. MCP isn't limited to Claude Desktop either. You can connect servers straight from the Claude API in your own Python code. List available tools, then call a model like Opus 5 or Fable 5 with tool access already built in. That's the better approach for automated pipelines, where Claude Desktop's interactive chat isn't the right fit. You now have Claude reading your files, searching the web, querying your database, managing GitHub, and running your own custom tools. The full written guide has every config file and the complete Python code linked in the description below. Subscribe to our free newsletter for daily AI tool updates.